Middle schoolers explain the importance of fidgeting. Fidgeting is the act of moving around restlessly and is often an unconscious act. Fidgeting can be a response to anxiety or boredom.
Move my hand around or tap my foot, and if I have something like this to do stuff with, then I don't do that, and I end up listening to people, and it's easier to talk because you're not just focusing on like talking or doing your work, you're doing something else too, and it just kind of helps.
Anxious fidgeting happens when the body has more stress hormones active. When that energy has nowhere to go, jiggling your leg, tapping your pen, or even biting your fingernails help to relieve the anxious moments.
It makes me occupied and like Susie, and not worrying about like this, that, and just calm.
So it kind of helps you focus a little bit.
Oh yeah, a lot. Because I don't focus very well.
Mm-hmm.
It calms, and it's like, if it's like silent like this, and I'm not like tapping a pencil like this the whole time, I don't get people mad, and I'm just like, and this will be like this, and nobody will know I'm doing it, and I'll make people like, stop, don't do that.
Okay, well what about when you're talking to the counselor? Why would it be a good idea to have fidgety things in there?
Because if you're like kind of scared to say something, but you need to say it, and you like, or like that, you can just feel like this and say it. That's what I do.
Okay, so it just calms you right down.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Cool.
Fidgeting lowers stress, is soothing, and gives the brain something to focus on.
Basically, when you're nervous, it helps you calm down and focus on what you're supposed to be doing. It helps you with your stress, and it helps you stop, it helps you not be stressed and stuff. So, yeah.
Clicks in your brain that you need to do something. If you're stressed, you just want to pull something apart or smash it, and it helps you, and then you'll be able to talk once you calm down.
I'd say it pretty much allows you to focus on what you're doing, so that way after you're done with that, you can focus on what you're going to say and how you're going to say it to you.
Great. Those stress balls? Stress balls, they help you make your stress not as difficult as it is. And once you start messing around with it, it calms you down and it makes your nerves go down a little bit. So it helps a lot. So yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Fidgeting can be an extension of the therapy session. Fidgeting allows one to self-soothe and or practice coping strategies used in therapy.